Welcome. In this video, we will explore Zen meditation, one of the most powerful practices in Buddhism. Zen teaches that meditation is not just an activity, it's everything. Through meditation, we discover our true self, or the Buddha that lives within each of us. Zen meditation, also known as Zazen, is about stilling the mind and letting go of inner conflict. When the mind becomes quiet, we experience psychological, physical, and spiritual benefits. Practitioners often feel more serene, balanced, and in tune with their bodies. They listen to their health needs before a crisis happens. Unlike other Buddhist traditions, Zen places little emphasis on rituals or scriptures. Instead, the focus is on direct experience through meditation. Zen meditation is more total and intense than in most other Buddhist paths. The aim is to let go of all conscious thought, except the single point of focus during meditation. This deep focus opens the door to insight, clarity, and peace. Zen is not about escaping life, but about being fully present in every moment. Whether you are new to meditation or seeking a deeper practice, Zen meditation offers a timeless path to self-discovery and peace. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights into meditation and mindfulness.